received this in the mail today. It's such a cute setup, very simple, modern. Clearly I haven't taken this off. They have magnetics in the back and they just overlap with each other. Apparently they're numbered, which is kind of neat. And then you can just put them all together. This is a little magnetic holder. And then
okay, you can see that here it works perfect. But if I remove this last one, that you can see that the magnets here, let me turn it the light, are shorter than this one. So if I remove it and I try to put it, it's not gonna work.